Hi, my name is Aristotle Domingo. I'm an adaptive athlete, actor, and the founder of Amputee Coalition of Toronto. The journey to my amputation began in 2001 when I was found unresponsive at home and was kept on life support in a coma. Waking up led to 15 more years of struggling and not being able to walk 2 blocks without being in pain. It was in 2016 that I was faced with a choice to amputate. My amputation gave me a new lease on life and back into an active lifestyle. Believe it or not, I feel healthier now that I've become an amputee. Running gives me a sense of peace. I zone out. I make this time personal, and I use this opportunity to learn more about myself each time I go out there. It's a practice of self-reflection that has allowed me to get out of negative self-talk and face challenges head-on in life. I joke now that I run because I can, but really, being denied that for 17 years has put things into perspective and has allowed me to call myself a runner. I'm not the best runner. I'm not even a fast one. But it's not about that. It's about getting up and doing it. My first race since my amputation was something I wanted to do for me. This summer, I joined the Isolation Run movement to help the Centenary Scarborough Health Network to donate funds to because I wouldn't be where I am today without their life-saving efforts. I knew when I crossed that finish line, I accomplished something. We make our own choices to be better versions from our circumstances, and my hope is that you can see that through my journey.